This session will make us understand how to conceptualize a game, and we will see this with the help of a very famous fishing with dynamite. Initially, a game developer needs to plan the game outline to develop any game. This is critical in terms of avoiding irrelevant programming efforts and ensuring the game is built upon as per the expectations. For example, let's understand the concept of game development with the help of a famous game called Fishing with Dynamite. This is a fun game where the player rushes across the 7 seas and catches fish using dynamites and other weapons. In this situation, if you have not played the game yet, play the game and understand the actual game concepts. Let's create a game concept document by assuming that we are creating the Fishing with Dynamite game. The game concept document begins with game introduction. It's kind of an elevator speech that covers the name of the game, style of the game, actions of the game, and uniqueness of the game. For this Fishing with Dynamite game, a simple introduction shall be given as Fishing with Dynamite is a tile-laying board game where you sail across the 7 seas looking for depleted fishing grounds. Once you find one, you drop dynamite and trawl until you have grabbed the last living sea creature from the area. You can avoid other fishing boats and inspectors to get back to port, where you can trade your fish on the black market for loads of money or a bigger boat. No other game teaches children the way the world really works. Formulating a game concept comes full circle when we take the time to support the idea with relevant facts, statistics, a fully formed storyline, and a realistic financial goal. The starting point is developing a core idea that should be a clear summarization of the game description, style, setting, types of characters involved, different key elements required, how to play, story overview, and what sets it apart from other stories. Unless it's a self-funded investment, it is very important to onboard publishers or investors to give you funds for the game development. At this stage, you need to outline the sections from which you are desiring your profits to come, like initial purchase prices, monetizing ads, in-app purchases, selling additional features. Based on the budget offered for funding, level your expectations. Cut costs where you can by using free 3D applications like Blender and Maya LT to save licensing fees. The art team should be clearly briefed about the style of game to be developed, where it requires 2D or 3D asset creation. They can also rightly identify the hiccups in the process of creation and ascertain what can or cannot be done given the budgetary constraints. A clear description of the audience must be defined so that the right art elements and gaming choice can be created to match up to the expectations of the gaming audience.